Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is No.WONDER Zulu, and if you are new here, please make sure you click that subscribe button so you can join the family, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, I will be doing this Faux Locs on my old braids. So if you are interested in this look, please make sure you keep on watching. My braids are washed and conditioned. Then I'm gonna put in some oil on my scalp just to seal in the moisture. And for this style, I used the Jozi Lite red from Darling. I fluffed it up. I sort of made it look like a Mali hair. I'm gonna insert a picture right over there. So I used that to do this style. To start the lock, I did the wrapping method where I wrapped a piece of strand at the base of my hair. First of all, I twisted my hair first just to bring it together because it was loose at the base. Then I wrapped it with a piece of strand, a bit too tight, not too tight, a bit tight though, because my hair or the braids were loose. So I wrapped that until I get to the braid itself. When I get to the braid, I loosen it up a bit. I didn't wrap too tight because it was going to be stiff, of which I guess I'm heavy-handed because mine were a little bit stiff. But as days goes by, they were pretty okay. You wrap the piece of strand until you get your desired length, of which I wanted the bob look. I hope my demonstration is much better than I'm explaining right now. And one thing about me, guys, I don't know how to part my hair. I would get someone to part my hair for each and every style I'm gonna upload because it's still a struggle for me. But we are getting there. I'm trying to do it on my own, but parting my hair is the most difficult part. I will do the style. If you can part my hair, it's fine. And another thing, I always do voiceovers at the moment because there's a lot of distraction. I'm sure you see the shadows at the back because there's people moving around, there's sound, irritating sounds, so I wouldn't want you guys to hear all of that. And guys, if you want to see more of the styles I will do for you, please comment down below. And please guys, please like my videos, comment, subscribe mostly, and share it to your friends, families, boyfriends, whoever. Please guys, please do subscribe to my channel.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
So I went ahead and finished the other braids of camera and did my edges also of camera. So this is how it's looking. Then I used an accessory that I got from a Chinese store that is almost like it's a strand or string, I guess. English strand. So I used that to just accessorize just one piece of lock to make it pop. Then I styled it I styled my hair just for that possess look. Yeah, I like the style. It was pretty easy. It's my DIY, but I hope you like it, guys, because it was like pretty easy because I used my old braids that I had and then turned the style to something amazing. I think they were amazing. So, if you liked this hairstyle as much as I did, please make sure you subscribe. Alright, guys, this is the finished look. I hope you really do like it because I did.